Hi guys! So I had someone ask me for a tutorial on just basics on how to get started with Silhouette Studio. I want to remind you all that it is a free download. You don't actually have to pay anything. I do have a paid version. Uh, you don't need that though. I worked very happily for a very long time with the free version, and for the most part, you don't really need to upgrade unless you use it a lot. Okay, so what I'm going to show you today is kind of just a little bit of how you get your designs into the program. Okay, so first things first, you're going to want to go to the link that comes on your card that's in your box, and then you're gonna save it to your Dropbox and download it. I'm not gonna show that just because it has some of my personal stuff in there. Um, and then I have created like just a separate folder with a bunch of folders inside it. Yes, I have every digital kit that was ever put out. I like to just make a folder and I'll put everything in there. Okay, so this is the September kit. Everything is in there. Okay. Now, getting this into Silhouette Studio is very, very easy. I typically will come and just highlight the ones I want to put here. I keep, of course, my papers and my clip arts and that sort of thing separate. But you highlight them and you literally drag it over. Okay? I'll just put them there. I can delete them later. And it really, truly is as simple as that. See there? 1, 2, 3. They're all there. 1, 2, 3. And if you need to delete something, it really is that easy. Right click, delete, or rename. And I do rename everything. I put the month the month and the year so that I know what's what. And then for the papers, I come on down here, and these are all of my papers, and I've done the same thing here. And I do have some folders. The kit stuff just goes into the main one, and then specialty ones go into specialty folders, and it's the same process. Now, if you have a PDF, this is where things get tricky. If you have the designer edition at the very least, then what you can do is drag it right onto the screen, and then you hit import, and that's all you have to do. Okay, it's going to show up in there, and don't save. Yes, it's going to show up there, and you're good to go. Okay, now if you don't have the designer edition and you just have the basic free version, let's open this up. Okay, file and export. Okay, then you're going to want to go JPEG, best quality, and save it wherever you want it saved. Okay? And then you'll be able to, so if you save it as a JPEG, and I did at one point, I saved it as a JPEG, you can number them, label them however you want, and just import them the same way that you did with these ones. Drag and drop. It really is that easy. And then when you want to use them, you come on over here and pick one, freebie. Oh, I guess I never resized that one. Oops. Okay, that's funny. Well, maybe just to me. Lock that. Guess how often I do this? All the time. Okay. And there you go. This is a freebie in the Facebook group, so join the Mummy Lay Facebook group and you can download this for free. All right, I hope this helped with just some of the very basics with getting started. You can import all of that artwork and put it to use. All right, bye guys.